This is project 2.3a, the ATmega328P breadboard. So here we have an ATmega328P, of course, on a breadboard like the name says. This is the chip commonly found in the Arduino Uno and can be taken out of the Uno and placed into a breadboard. It is accompanied by a voltage regulation that changes 9 volts, 10 volts, like say from this 9-volt battery or a 10-volt power supply, into 5 volts so that the chip does not overload the chip. The chip is accompanied by crystal, 2 ceramic capacitors, resistor, and reset button. We program this chip using an AVR ISP programmer, and this is the ACES one, which has ground, 5-volt, MOSI, MISO, SCK, and reset. These are used for programming and are each tied to digital pins. Then we have the AVR programmer. The AVR programmer is used with a USB cable into a computer and then plugged into here, and then we program through it. We have a bar graph at 10 segments, so we're only using 8, and light-dependent resistor and various wires and resistors. When plugged in, this circuit is designed to demonstrate an ATmega328P in use on a breadboard. The circuit is fairly simple. When light comes closer and more light appears, it goes down. The bars are connected to digital pins on the Arduino, and when light is detected and the more light, the less resistance, and the less resistance is read by analog pin 1 tied through here and here, and then changes the number of bars. That is my project 2.3a ATmega breadboard.